First, progress behind the bars of the troubled Cuyahoga County Jail.
I believe we made great strides on many levels. We still have a ways to go.
5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll toured the jail today. He's in the newsroom with more on what's been done and what still needs to happen, Scott.
Rob, for more than a year, we've detailed the county's crisis in corrections. 9 deaths, 11 past and current jail employees indicted. But today, the county opened the jail's doors and allowed our cameras in, showing off what's still very much a work in progress. Behind the steel doors of the Cuyahoga County Jail, signs things are improving. Fresh coats of paint, a new converted kitchen that's added room for nearly 100 additional inmates in the often overcrowded downtown jail. Medical screenings for all new inmates. And on the 9th floor, renovations to a housing unit in the same lockup where just 13 months ago, a U.S. Marshals review team called conditions, quote, inhumane. Since then, the county says it's added 120 jailers, brought in a new jail director, warden, and sheriff.
I think we put on some pretty good personnel that are in charge and are in contact with what's happening in this jail every day.
A November state inspection found the jail still out of compliance with 17 standards, but that's down considerably from a year earlier when inspectors cited 84 deficiencies. And Metro Health, which took over all medical services in the jail last year, says the average number of inmates receiving mental health care has gone from about a dozen to almost 60 a day. But the county admits there's more to do.
I would say approximately 50%, and the hard 50% to come.
That includes more improvements to inmate housing areas, technology upgrades, and
In 2020, we made a priority for training on many levels.
the county also hoping a planned centralized booking system will get inmates needing mental health or addiction services help instead of leaving them locked up awaiting trial.
We want to keep the population down and only keep the violent people in this place, not just the mentally ill or whomever else there might be here.
And that population is important. Inspectors blame that overcrowding and not enough staff for many of the jail's past problems. And even today, the jail was over capacity by about 25 inmates. Live in the newsroom, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.